Hi, it's Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dashcam specialists. And this is the Safe Drive Minute with Ben. And today we're going to show you a cool feature. So on the iRoad and GNet dash cameras, they have this really cool feature where if you want to download a video, you have the option of downloading with or without audio. Now, why would you want this? Well, let's say we get into an accident, and sometimes in the heat of the moment, we might say stuff we regret. We might not want to download that video with the audio. On the vice versa side of it too, is sometimes we might have somebody come and start yelling at us while we're in our car. We've all seen certain things where people have road rage. Well, now you're going to have the audio clip of what exactly took place. This gives you that option, while a lot of other dash cameras, you either turn the microphone on or turn the microphone off. At least with the iRoad and GNet, it gives you the option of downloading with or without. And that's the Safe Drive Minute with Ben.